brightness and contrast. I like it one way, somebody else likes it another way.
Can I try Jerry quickly?
Sure, man.
Just to make a... And the way you moved around is double clicking here or there.
Yeah, and just drag. You can go off to the edge and hold the button down and it'll actually move.
Like left or right?
Yeah, left or right, up or down.
Oh.
And then in the corners is like rotation.
Okay.
When do you use the home
I'm
stage?
clicking and holding it.
When do you what?
Use home stage.
Oh, okay, never mind, it's going.
Suppose you didn't want to do it the way I just showed you. We're calibrated to 10 millimeters.
So press left button and
Even
drag.
though we go
press
higher,
and drag.
okay? You just hit home,
Take
it'll
some
automatically take you to 10. That's one less button stroke.
So we just did it a manual way.
We just did it manual. I'd rather show you manual than let you fall into the easy stuff.
Now, when we zoom in, like this is at 27,000. Do we also do the auto contrast and brightness at that state, or do we just do once?
Whatever you like.
Okay, I like to
You can
do it.
manually, you can do it auto. And you can set auto up to be your friend.
Right.
Somebody else is not going to like it.
Right. But that's the default.
Yeah.
And then you can fine tune it using the contrast.
You can go into your settings and you can fine tune your contrast and brightness the way you like.
Okay.
Does fine view, does that give you a rocker, or what does fine view do for you there?
The what?
Fine view?
Oh, that's when I'm up around 300,000 max. I need fine adjust instead of coarse adjust.
Okay.
We're still working in coarse adjust.
Got it. That's the next level.
Yes. That's when I put in gold on carbon and let you guys do that.
Right.
I like a little darker.
It's also that trackball. It does something over there.
Oh yeah, that trackball?
Where?
That trackball has a very important purpose. You do your best work at our predetermined working distances.
Okay.
Okay, if you go to, just click on WD.
Right now the WD is 9.9.
That's okay.
Oh, that's okay. And?
Okay, click on 10.
10.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, it's out of focus. Okay. Drop the mag down a little.
To...
Oh, something that you can see yourself
Okay.
focus. There you go. Okay.
Okay.
What you would do then is use your mechanical Z to focus. Okay? The ball is XY.
Okay.
It's your stage.
Okay.
And this is your Z, okay?
Okay.
And then we would click up here under... Let me find it here.
Under that? Oh no, that's...
Oh, it's up here. I think that's line measurement. That is... Maybe it's this one.
The shift?
Nope, that's not it.
No, that's not. That's ruler. There's SRT, cursor, text, ZFC.
ZFC. Let's try that. ZFC.
Okay.
Now.
Yep.
This is where you would focus with the mechanical Z, and you will get a much better image.
So this is when we are not using the autofocus button. This is we are doing
When you're not using the focal length, you're working with Z.
Okay.
This is more accurate than that.
Okay.
Finer, it's even finer.
Finer.
Okay. So we do that first, and then we can use this to fine tune it.
No, you wouldn't do that first.
Oh.
If you were doing low mag work or what have you, and you really didn't care, but if you're putting a publication in for Scientific America, okay, then I would be working here.
Okay.
I would preset my working distances.
To 10?
10, whatever you're working at, 15, 5, whatever, okay?
Okay.
And then I would focus with this.
Okay. So that one changes the working distance, this one changes the Z.
This changing the working distance to the preset focal length.
Okay,
Because you're getting closer to our calibration.
okay. But we fine tune it using Z.
Yeah, but if somebody sits down and decides to autofocus and all that, there's nothing wrong with that,
Okay.
okay?
This is for more
Yeah,
Fine work.
fine
real fine,
tuning.
high research work, okay?
Okay. And you can do this if I want to zoom in.
Now, when you have beginners, okay? There is, remember I told you the ruler, how you measure how tall your sample is?
Yeah.
I would put a safety limit in there, which is real easy to do on a sample exchange. In other words, you cannot crash into the pole piece.
Yeah, that would be good.
You put in 3 millimeters, let's say, and say, okay, you're not going to get up there, because as soon as it gets close to 3 millimeters, it's going to shut down. Okay?
Okay.
Because it's real easy for them to focus right through it with the Z
Oh.
and not pay attention what they're doing. And I'll say, didn't you have an IR camera to look at when you did that? Yeah.
So we should have this.
But you said you can set a limit.
Yes.
Can
And
you-
I always set a limit for beginners
All right.
so that they can't drive into it.
All right, so how do you do that? Can we do that right now?
But it's
Or is it only
every-
users?
Every user.
Every user.
as long as they don't change it. I mean, every user who sits down would put in a limit, but when you have a new person, you just tell them, when
Yeah.
you always put in 3 or whatever, 4. You're going to be limited.
Okay. So where do we put the limit?
Let's put the limit in now and then it can be changed.
Yeah. The limit is, see it right there?
The offset?
Yeah.
Spec surface offset?
So if you put in,
Zero.
Zero?
set it 0, which means you can go right
Crash.
through the pole piece.
Yeah.
So you put in 4 millimeters, let's say.
How do you
Just put 4. Click
Just
it.
put 4, 4.0.
just click? It's not allowing me to change.
Let's see here. Okay. Where's my mouse? Oh, wrong one, that's stage. Am I on the other screen? Nope, not.
There it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, maybe you have to unclick this. You have to unclick that.
And click what?
ZF.
See. Because right now that button's highlighted, so maybe you have to unclick it.
I don't think so.
Doesn't look like it's active.
Okay.
Oh, here.
Right there.
Okay.
So we have to go to the spec exchange, click it.
And then
Make
type
sure-
in your 4. 4.
4 point.
Okay.
Okay.
That's how you change it. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
Okay.
Was there someplace?
Yeah.
So which means it's not gonna go above.
4 millimeters. There'll be a 4 millimeter gap between it, because we measure from the top of the sample
Uh-huh.
to the bottom of the pole piece.
Okay. By
Yes.
pole piece you mean the detector?
The
Or-
bottom of the column.
Okay, okay.
And that becomes a crucial when you're working with the lab, with the labbing.
Backstep.
Okay.
Because when that's in there, you're working within a millimeter or 2.
Okay. Got it.
But if you put 4 in, they're safe.
Okay. Where is safe?
Okay?
Alright. Alright. Now what do we do?
Now what do?
Learn more stuff?
Find the other grid.
Find the other grid.
Find the other grid, and I want you to go to 5 kV.
Okay.
Now, this is gonna blow your mind.
I'm ready. Give me the mushrooms.
Can you do two things at one time?
Yeah.
Can you listen and work too?
No.
Oh, okay.
I can't. I had to focus.
Okay.
Okay, so I just have to go around looking for it.
Okay. Yeah, here's your Z. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Just zip right along.
Oh, wait, that's not the right direction. Yeah. Okay. And change it to 5.
It's 5 kV.
Do we step down to 10 first?
Yeah, you can just step down to 5.
I mean, is this okay to go directly to 5 from 15?
You can go down.
But you
but
can
I
go
would
up. That's what
Steps of 5.
Got it. Going up is the problem. We have to do steps of 5.
Yeah.
Going down is
Yeah, but if
Okay.
you get in the habit of doing 5, it's
Not a bad habit.
not a bad habit.
let's just stick to 5.
Okay.
Drop 10 on that. There's one there.
There is no 10.
There's no 10?
There's
do you got?
1, 1.5, 2, 5, 15.
Like
So we
five.
can type it in?
What do you think? Go to setup.
Setup, okay.
It's the drop down menu.
Recipe or operation setting?
Operational settings.
Okay. Now let's see. 5,000 mouse control detector.
You have KV you can select in there.
Where is KB?
Not on that menu.
Maybe auto function? No, those are contrast, working distance, focus, photo, preset.
There you go.
There's a magnification,
See?
voltage, yeah. There's 1, 1.5, 2, 5, 15.
Okay.
So I can just-
We'll go with the one under 15. You can put 10.
Okay.
Or put 10 and 5. Your choice.
Okay. And now save or set?
You want to save?
Save.
Oh, just set. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
That puts it into a software file.
Got it.
Yeah, you're going to want to get 5 back because you were calibrated at 5.
Yeah, so whenever...
We calibrated all of them.
Okay, got it.
We did
Okay,
them
so
all.
how do you actually physically add one? Or are you limited there to
You're
5?
limited to those.
To those 5. To
You
5.
will find that people will not be all over the map. They'll be at one or the other, and that's it.
Okay.
Now we have 10 kV.
Okay?
We'll zoom in, and you said to do what? Magnify to...
Whatever you feel like. So we want to see some latex spheres.
ZFC.
You can do autofocus.
Oh.
I mean,
Oh, the focus is okay, but the contrast...
That's-
brightness and contrast.
Okay. So this will take me to the
The
ballpark.
reason why autofocus will not work for several reasons. Your brightness and contrast is off. Okay? Because it's looking at the edge signal.
Right.
2, your sample doesn't have the detail for it to start doing the mathematical calculations to give you your focus. Bingo. See how easy that is?
Yeah.
It's real easy.
Why is it doing that? Like
Or
changing Z.
you want to do Z, what do you got to do? If you want to do fine adjust, you got to click something. What did you forget?
You gotta set your working distance.
ZFC. Yeah.
Working distance 10.
Okay.
Go.
You gotta turn your
Hit
Z on.
ZFC.
Yeah, ZFC is turned on.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I turned it on.
Shouldn't it be highlighted? if
It
you
should be
turn it on?
highlighted green,
Oh,
There.
and then you would use the ring.
The wrong way.
that's the wrong one.
You can also watch your numbers.
What numbers are we watching? The Z?
That's all right. It's too much to
Okay.
If you're looking at too many things.
Okay.
Okay. Now, real quick, you have a lot of variety of scan speeds.
Mm-hmm.
Two big ways you can do it.
Okay.
You can do it with the OKB, because I like knobs.
OKB.
Yeah, operational keyboard. Speeds. Speeds.
Oh.
Okay? Or you can click them up here.
Okay. But those are aligned.
Nah, don't worry about alignment.
No, you mean those or these knobs?
X and Y. Buttons. Scan speeds. You have scan speeds. Okay? On the buttons.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yeah.
Not this one.
No. This
Scans-
is for alignment.
Yeah. Okay, there's quick view, fine view.
Yeah, press them. See what you get.
What's RDC?
Reduced.
Is that bad view, I guess?
No, it helps you focus. Reduced.
Okay, fine. The one we were at was quick view. Fine view is even slower.
Yes.
And reduce is the one that you can use to focus and then go to fine view.
Yes. You want to capture your picture in slow, because these are digital. This is not analog.
Right.
And the slower you go, the more noise you filter out.
Got it.
Now, you ready for me to blow your mind?
Yes, please.
Okay. Up here you have,
I mean, do we stop this scan? I mean,
no, it's still going. Change your mag, you'll see it's still going.
okay.
As long as you didn't hit photo, then it'll stop. Or freeze.
Okay, that's what my question was, like how we take a photo of it.
Okay. There is, what's the name of that button?
Fine to CF freeze.
There's reduced, and then there's DMAG. DMAG.
Oh, okay. Display the direct magnification. Okay. What am I doing?
Other than, if you click it again, it comes back to the, okay?
Okay.
Hit DMAG again.
So
That's true magnification.
this?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're looking at the screen and you go, oh, I'm going to measure that. Whoa. You got to use our measuring stuff.
Yep.
Our measuring lines, our reference lines. You just can't stick a ruler up there and say, oh, that's
Right. We have to take this into
consideration.
and
Okay? Because we do magic with the screen, we erase stuff and whatever,
Yeah.
but the image is really bigger than what it's supposed to be.
okay.
What generated the original magnification was Polaroid film.
Right. So we digitally enhance this original picture to get into this mode.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a processed picture.
This is a process picture which is not true mag. That's why when you go into setup, you saw that black line, you can take
Yeah.
different things off.
Yep.
Because if you blow it up, you have to take the micron marker with you.
Yep.
But the mag is wrong.
Yeah.
They're going to say, oh, that's not 300x, that's 5000x. And you take that micron marker and you go, yeah, that's more like 5000x.
Okay. All right. And you said the RD reduced image.
Reduced just makes it smaller.
So it's a faster scan.
Well, you can set the scan speed.
Okay. So why would we use reduced? Oh, the reduced area. Okay.
Reduced area helps you concentrate. You can't see the trees for the forest.
Yeah, and you can use quick view or fine view with the reduced image. Okay. Now we can go out. But when we're taking picture, we take the reduced part off
You can take the reduced part.
so that we can.
We haven't done no tricks yet. I mean, there's tricks here.
Oh, okay.
I mean, this